Introducing Batrik Essentials, a comprehensive assortment of solutions for sterile processing. Step 1. Start by using our Batrik Instrument Protector. You can prevent the tips and edges of your instruments from damage during the handling and sterilization. Step 2. Then add our Batrik silicone pin mat to the bottom of your tray or container. It offers cushioning, fixed positioning, and organization for your instruments with durable raised pins and ample airflow. Step 3. You can now secure your containers with Batrik padlock security tags designed with tamper prevention technology for sealing instrument containers during sterilization. Step 4. Then label your instruments and containers with our Batrik Tag-It identification tags. They are tear-proof and durable labels for identifying and recording specific instructions. The synthetic paper and smudge-proof ink withstand high temperatures and plasma, ensuring safe use in sterile environment. Step 5. Finally, protect your surgical wraps during transport, storage, and sterilization using Batrik's corner pockets. Step 6. You now are fully prepared for sterilization with all of Batrik's essentials. We are your sterilization partners. Order your essentials today. Visit www.batrik.com to learn more.